if x equals to r sine of theta cos of phi, y equals to r sine of theta sine of phi, z equals to r cos of theta, find del xyz upon del r theta phi. Solution: here x equals to r sine of theta cos of phi, y equals to r sine of theta sine of phi, z equals to r cos of theta. So del x over del r equals to sine theta cos of phi, del x over del theta equals to r cos of theta cos of phi, del x over del phi equals to minus r sine of theta sine of phi, del y over del r equals to sine of theta sine of phi, del y over del theta equals to r cos of theta sine of phi, del y over del phi equals to r sine of theta cos of phi, del z over del r equals to cos of theta, del z over del theta equals to minus r sine of theta, del z over del phi equals to 0. Now del xyz over del r theta phi equals to del x over del r, del x over del theta, del x over del phi, del y over del r, del y over del theta, del y over del z, del z over del r, del z over del theta, del z over del phi. Now equals to, putting the value of from here, sine of theta cos of phi, r cos of theta sine cos of phi, minus r sine of theta sine of phi, sine of theta sine of phi, r cos of theta sine of phi, r sine of theta cos of phi, cos of theta minus r sine of theta 0. Now opening the taking the determinant from third row, r in cos of theta into r sine square theta cos of theta cos square phi plus r square sine of theta cos of theta sine square phi plus r sine of theta into r sine square theta cos square phi plus r sine square theta sine square phi equals to, taking common r square sine of theta cos square theta. So we will get cos square phi plus sine square phi plus taking r square sine cube theta common into cos square phi plus sine square phi equals to sine square phi plus sine square phi plus cos square phi equals to 1, and cos square phi plus sine square phi equals to 1, so equals to r square sine theta cos square theta plus r square sine cube theta equals to r square sine theta taken common, so cos square theta plus sine square theta into, so equals to r square sine theta.